In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics exam repeated questions on the subtopic photoelectric effect and radioactivity in elementary modern physics. So guys, we're going to practice with 14 repeated questions for this subtopic. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, in the equation above, the particle X is, so here the particle S here is representing proton. Okay, so take note of this particular question, guys. Proton is being represented in the equation above. The particle S is proton. Okay, the next question with this one, it says a light of energy 5 eV falls on a metal and electrons with a maximum kinetic energy of 2 eV are rejected. The work function of the metal I is what? So guys, for this kind of questions, basically all you need to do is to subtract this 2 eV from the maximum kinetic energy from this 5 eV, okay, the light's energy, and you get the result. So 5 minus 2 give you 3. The right option is option C, which is 3 eV. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the particle nature of light is demonstrated by the, we have option A, colors of light, diffraction of light, speed of light, photoelectric effect. So the right option is option D, which is photoelectric effect. Next question will be this one. It says the particle nature of light is demonstrated by, I'm thinking I've answered this question already, photoelectric effect. Okay, so they repeated the question. Next one with this one. It says if light with photon energy 2 eV is incident suitably on the surface of a metal with work function 3 eV, then option A, many electrons will be emitted, no electrons will be emitted. The few electrons emitted will have a maximum kinetic energy of 3 eV. The few electrons emitted will have a maximum kinetic energy of 1 eV. So guys, the right option this question will be option B, which is no electron will be emitted. Take note of this question. I've often seen it repeated. So the next question will be this one. It says in photoelectric effect, electrons will leave the metal surface when illuminated by light of appropriate frequency if the photon energy is option A, less than the work function, equal to the work function, equal to the maximum kinetic energy of the electron, greater than the work function. The right option here is option D, which is greater than the work function. Okay, next question with this one. It says in the reaction above, X is, so in this expression guys, just take note of the right option. The right option here will be option B, which is neutron. I've already expressed this on my worksheet here, and I derived that X there will be a neutron value. Okay, so just note it in case this kind of question gets repeated exactly for you. The right option is neutron. Okay, so X is representing neutron. Next repeated question will be this one. Okay, before you solve this question guys, if you are new to the channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. So the question says in photoelectric effect, electrons will leave the metal surface when illuminated by light of appropriate frequency. I think we have also answered this question already. The right option will be option C, which is greater than the work function. Alright, next question will be this one. It says in the photoelectric effect, which the following statement is correct? We have option A, the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons is proportional to the intensity of the incident light. No. The number of emitted electrons is proportional to the frequency of incident light. No. Number of emitted electrons is constant. Not correct. Option D, the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons is proportional to the frequency of the incident light. This is correct. The right option here is option D. Okay, so the next repeated question will be this question. So it says which of the following phenomenon is called photoelectric effect? A metal absorbs quarter of light and then emits electrons. A high energy photon emits photons at it slowed down. A high energy electrons impinge on a metallic anode which then emits photons. Two electrons are created from a quantum of light. The right option is option A, which is a metal absorbs quanta of light and then emits electron. This is a phenomenon called photoelectric effect. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says the kinetic energy of photoelectron liberated from a metallic surface depends on the real option A, temperature of the incident radiation, incidence of intensity of the incident radiation, time duration of the incident radiation, frequency of the incident radiation. So the right option is option C, which is frequency of the incident radiation. Next question will be this one, which says the threshold frequency for photoelectric effect depends on the, take note of this question guys, option A, material of the photocathode, potential difference between the cathode and the mode, frequency of the incident light, intensity of incident light. The right option is option A, which is material of the photocathode. Next question will be this one. It says what particle is X in the reaction above. Now guys, I've also gotten the expression for X in my worksheet here. So I derive X to be a neutron. So when you go through the expression to find X, you deduce that X will be a neutron. So the right option in this question is option D, which is neutron. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says a light energy 5 eV falls on a metal and electrons with a maximum kinetic energy of 2 eV are ejected. The work function of the metal is, so still the same formula to apply. Subtract this kinetic energy of 2 eV from this 5 eV of the light energy and you get the result. So 5 minus 2 give you 3 eV. So the right option is option D. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving photoelectric effect and radioactivity in elementary modern physics for your JAMB. Hope there's something interesting in the video. We practice with 14 replay questions for these subtopics. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free leave a question on the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button, where you will be receiving special information that will help to simplify your academic problem. Alright, so having done that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.